Hello everyone, welcome to DCC YouTube channel. And now we are going to discuss the second problem of biweekly contest 119. So let's look into the problem statement. You are given a zero indexed string word, and in one operation you can pick any index I of word and change word of I to any lowercase letter, English letter. And we need to return the minimum number of operations needed to remove all adjacent almost equal characters from word. And two characters A and B are almost equal if A is equals to B, or A and B are adjacent in the alphabet. So let's look at this string. uh, this is a given string, and to return the minimum number of operations needed to remove all adjacent equal characters, we need to first count all adjacent almost equal characters so that we can remove them from the word by just changing to any of the lowercase English letter. So let's look into this string. First we can change the, since A and A are equal and these are adjacent, so this should not happen. So we can change this A to other characters other than B, because B is also adjacent to C, so we can change it to C. And similarly in this pair also we can change this A to C. So let's look at, so the minimum number of operations are 2. Like the final string would be something like this. And in the second example also, if we look into it, we can change, since A and B are adjacent, that is, they just differ, the ASCII value of these both characters differs just by 1, so these both are adjacent and we need to change any one of them. And similarly DD also, and DE also. So to calculate the number of adjacent almost equal characters, the simple method we are going to follow is that we will iterate through the string, and when we encounter that a pair of characters are adjacent, that is, either they are equal or they are adjacent in the alphabetical way, so we just increase our count, and we continue our iteration. So in this way we can count the number of almost equal characters, and that is ultimately the answer, because that we can remove those many characters. So that means we are going to perform those many operations to remove those all adjacent almost equal characters. So the code is pretty simple, so let's look into it. Yeah, we will just iterate through the string, and we will just check whether that is adjacent, that is the word of I minus word of I, if the absolute value, that is, it can be either to the right or it can be either to left, so absolute value of those difference of those strings, if it is less than or equal to 1, we just increase our counter, and then we at finally we'll just return the count, that is the answer. And thank you.